What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. We are out here with my Civic. As you can see, it has become a storage bin. I've got most of it taped off, as you can see here. It's not the best job, but it'll do. You know, I'm just tired of having this thing in here. I just want it painted. It is not a show car. This is a race car. I just want it painted, so I am just gonna do it. It's not gonna look the greatest, but it's not permanent. So I'm almost there. I'm gonna finish getting everything ready for that, and then I'm gonna primer and paint, and that'll be that. So I've also got my Integra's mirror painted. That turned out all right. Yeah, so let's get to it. Alrighty, so that's how we're leaving it for the night. Ran out of primer. I probably could have used another coat. Awfully tiger stripey. But, you know, it is what it is. I may or may not do another coat. I really just want to be driving this thing. I don't really care about the paint. I'm really only doing this, goddamn. Get over here. I'm really only doing this for, just to get these fenders to match. So, yeah, I'm gonna shut the door and take a shower and let this air out a little bit.